slipping and a sliding with my new shoes on. She said, Arthur, don't you rap no more. Way downtown, fooling around, took me to the jail. Oh, me and it's oh, my, ain't no one to go my bail. Pick it, David. I was over at my sweetest house, sitting in that big armchair, one arm around my old guitar and the other one around my dear. Way downtown, fooling around, they took me to the jail. Oh, me and it's oh, my, ain't no one to go my bail. That's about all I've got, and $1 is all that I crave. Brought nothing with me into this old world, and I'll take nothing to my grave. Way downtown, fooling around, took me to the jail. Oh, me and it's oh, my, ain't no one to go my bail. Cheeks as red as a blooming rose and eyes of the prettiest brown. She's the darling of my heart, sweetest little girl in town. Wish I had a glass of wine and bread and meat for two. I'd set it out on a golden plate and I'd give it all to you. Shady Grove, my little love, Shady Grove, I say. Shady Grove, my little love, I'm bound to go away. A little boy, I wanted a Barlow knife, and now I want little Shady Grove to say she'll be my wife. A kiss from pretty little Shady Grove as sweet as brandy wine, and there ain't no girl in this whole world that's prettier than mine. Shady Grove, my little love, Shady Grove, I say. Shady Grove, my little love, I'm bound to go away together, son. See little Shady Grove, she's standing in the door, her Susan stockings in her hand and her little bare feet on the floor. I wish I had me a big old horse and the grain to feed him all. Little Shady Grove to stay at the house and feed him while I'm gone. Shady Grove, my little love, Shady Grove, I say. Shady Grove, my little love, I'm bound to go away. Pick it, David. Mighty pretty, son. Peaches in the summertime, apples in the fall. If I can't have little Shady Grove, I don't know, y'all know. If I had a needle and thread as fine as I could sew, I'd sew my pretty goat to the side and down the road we go. Shady Grove, my little love, Shady Grove, I say. Shady Grove, my little love, I'm bound to go away one more.
no more. My rusty bladed hoe I've laid to rest. My mama and my papa are sleeping side by side. Their spirits are now roaming with the blessed.
Oh, the chimney's falling down and the roof is tumbled in, letting in the sunshine and the rain. And the only friend I got now is that little dog of mine in that little old log cabin in the lane.
Led us round the hill, the fences have all gone to decay, and the creeks they have dried up where we used to go to mill. Oh, things have changed their course another way. Oh, the chimney's falling down and the roof is tumbled in, letting in the sunshine and the rain. And the only friend I got now is that little dog of mine in that little old log cabin in the lane. Together now. I haven't got long to stay here, but what a little time I've got, I'll try to rest content while I remain, till death shall call this dog and me to find a better home than that little old log cabin in the lane. Oh, the chimney's falling down and the roof is tumbling in, letting in the sunshine and the rain. And the only friend I got now, that little dog of mine in that little old log cabin in the lane.
Let it rain, let it pour, let it rain a whole lot more, boys. I got them deep river blues. Let that old river rise and fall, let the big waves make a wall, boys. I got them deep river blues. Take it, David. Hey, give me back my old boat. I'm gonna sail, boys, if you float. Yes, I got them deep river blues. Gonna run down to Muscle Shoals. Times are getting better down there, I'm told, boys. I got them deep river blues. One more, David. If my boat sinks with me, I'm gonna go down, don't you see? Yes, I got them deep river blues. Goodbye, now just let me die. I got them deep river blues. Let it rain, let it pour, let it rain a whole lot more, boys. I got them deep river blues. Let that rain drive right home, let the big waves sweep along, 'cause I got them deep river blues. Pick the last one. tell you about a fella I know. His home was down in Tennessee. He made his living stealing chickens and everything else he could see. One day the sheriff got behind that man and he made him take to the road. There's never been a passenger run so fast old Joe couldn't get on board. Traveling man, well he must have been a traveling man. Traveling, rambling man, he was the swiftest in the land. Gambling, rambling Joe, they knowed him in every town. He wouldn't stay put, no, he wouldn't give up, and I bet he never settled down. Pick it up. Well, they sent Joe down to the spring one day for to fetch a pail of water. Now the distance from the spring to the house, it was 16 miles and a quarter. He got that bucket of water all right with something toe and he fell down. He ran through the house and he grabbed another bucket, caught the water before it hit the ground. Traveling man, well he must have been a traveling man. Traveling, rambling man, he was the swiftest in the land. Gambling, rambling Joe, they knowed him in every town. He wouldn't stay put, no, he wouldn't give up, and I bet he never settled down. Now he hoboed the great Titanic, thought he'd try out the ocean blue. When he seen that old iceberg a-comin', around all that boat Joe flew. Well, the rest of the passengers, they hollered and laughed, saying, look, he wasn't a great big fool. While that old boat was the sinking, Joe was shooting crap in Liverpool. Traveling man, I said he must have been a traveling man. Traveling, rambling man, he was the swiftest in the land. Gambling, rambling Joe, they knowed him in every town. He wouldn't stay put, no, he wouldn't give up, and I bet he never settled down. The police finally caught up with poor old Joe and they sentenced him to hang one day. That solemn old judge looked at Joe and says, have you got anything to say? He smiled at the judge and the jury. He says, bow down your head and frown. He crossed up his legs and he winked one eye and went sailing right off through the air. Ain't that faith now? Traveling man, said he must have been a traveling man. Traveling, rambling man, he was the swiftest in the land. Gambling, rambling Joe, they knowed him in every town. He wouldn't stay put, no, he wouldn't give up, and I bet he never settled down.